thì con nói luôn. What's the point of break it? Lock the steering wheel and you break it out. We have air gun, man. Hi guys, welcome back to Pham Legend channel, car dealership and performance shop at Pham Motorsport. Today I'm gonna show you 1997 Honda Civic hatchback DX, guys. Very clean, and got these 16Y7 in it. And today a little bit cold, and this car is a beast to drive in the snow, guys. Very good. They got a snow tire too. Look at that. Yep, snow tire. Everything is original. So really hard to find a clean Civic hatchback right now. But I can show you there's a little bit rust here. You can see a little bit rust here, and that one, and just a little bit bubble over here, guys. You can see that little bit right here. Very clean one. 97 DX. They have a power steering. They don't have a power steering, but they have AC, guys. AC still there. No power steering, but a very light. Very light. Good for project. Good for turbo car. B18 or K20 swap, guys. Or you can daily drive it. This one I daily drive it in the snow. Very good in the snow. Let's get into it. It's very cold. My hand was freezing, guys. Now it's like I think it's negative 10 or something, or negative 17. Very cold. And I'm gonna leave this like this. So I'm not gonna clean it. Just leave it stock dust like that so you guys can see, guys. What you guys think? Comment below. Is it worth it? It's 97. Let's take a look at the inside, guys. Yeah, sit in it. Woo. Yeah, very clean. Very clean. Very clean here. Whew, everything's here. Just a knob. The latch fall off. You know, like the one that you can pry the hood latch out. But I got a plier right here, guys. Just pull it out. Whew. This one got a wheel bearing chain on this side, and a hubcap put on. Snow tire. Let me show you everything. See the body. Look at this. Body very clean. Probably the cleanest Civic hatchback I have now. And I sold this car like long time ago and then he to a guy, and he need money, so he trying to fix his house, so he sold back to me last year. So I own this car for last year, like 1 year been parked, and now I just take out and drive it in the snow, guys. Yep. Every car, like I love it. I don't want to sell it, but I just keep it for a year, and now I need money and just take it out and sell it, guys. So what do you guys think? Woo, very clean. Very clean. Woo. Yeah, yesterday I was driving and it make a lot of noise, wah noise, so we have to replace the rear bearing on it, guys. So new wheel bearing on the rear. This old one right here. See this old one, and very bad. It shake a lot, so I have to change the wheel bearing here. So very solid right now. Run and drive very good. And we're gonna clean this car up. Maybe change the original steering wheel on it. Yeah. So that have a quick release, and I don't like it. I have to the original one and put it on and put it back, guys. What do you guys think? And this very clean. No rust. Man, I lie, maybe a little bit rust right here, because I parked it outside too long. Been a year, guys. Yeah, very clean car. Clean hatchback. It's really hard to find a hatchback now. Yeah. Yep. Very good now, guys. Over here, we always check the 12 and 6 o'clock this side, so we push it, and that other side is break a lot. It's a lot of blade in it, so we have to change the wheel bearing. This one's good. Yeah, still good, little guy. gonna grease the shoe too. So when you step on the brake, it don't go that sound. I hate that sound. That's annoying. So I'm gonna grease that so it will go away. Put it. Okay, bearing done, so we're gonna test drive it, guys. And I let my nephew test drive it to see it make a wobble sound or not. Yeah, drive it. Yeah, this is my new driver on YouTube, guys. He's my main mechanic now.
There's the new lights.
Oh, dang, we got the all the light here, man. That's nice. I don't even notice. I've had for a year. No notice, guys. Yeah. Driving good. Check this light because of a CO2 sensor. Yep. Let me test first, second, fourth, fifth gear, guys. Let's pull this. Yeah, that is fast. Third gear. No grind or anything. Let go a little bit high RPM and shift. Yeah. We don't see there's no RPM here, guys, but we can tell. Okay, shift. Fourth gear. No grind or pop out. Okay, let's do fifth gear. We are almost 50 already. Okay, fifth gear, that's good. Yep. Transmission good, engine good, no grind or pop out, guys. And we just take another route and come back to our shop. And we have to replace the steering wheel because I don't like the quick release. And we have to fix the window too, and it's up, maybe up for sale. This one really clean car, very clean, a little bit rust. Usually don't have rust, but I parked it for like a year. That's why I got a lot of rust now. Is it clean, guys? So anybody who's looking for a clean hatchback that you can build up and put a B16 or GSR engine or Type R engine in and boost it, this is one to go. It's worth it, guys. Yeah, the inside is sagged a little bit. It's okay. The inside clean, no rip or anything like that. Just a little bit of cracked windshield right here and a stop right here, a rock chip right here. We have to punch it. This is a straight line right here. Second gear. Woo, yeah. Woo. Third gear, guys. Let's do fourth gear. Yeah. That's good enough. That tests all the gear. So people can see how smooth this car drive. Very nice. And then the window are tinted, guys, so at night I can see nothing. And yesterday a car pulled me over. I said I gotta go past the crosswalk when it's at the red light, guys. So he gave me a warning ticket for that. Oh, that's weird. Yeah. Nice. Let's go back to the shop, man. Pham Motorsport. And we got our dyno coming too, so our dyno is here ready. And we got a dyno, like a lot of fast car here. Yeah, Pham Motorsport. Let's go in there and change the steering wheel. start at the stop line right now, but always I start on the second gear, guys, so make the load easier for accelerate, guys, so don't spin. Look at that, second gear and then drive, so it's make less spin on it, guys. Hopefully no spinning. And there's a lot of snow, lot of snow. Woo. And almost at my shop, but look all the snow here. Jeez, I don't know I can get into my shop driveway yet. Let's see. Yeah, woo, I spin. Woo, yeah, spin on the back, guys. Let's see. Let me make it in with one hand. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. It's yep. I don't know where the driveway is. Just go in here, guys. Yeah. Woo! Finally make it. Snow day, guys. Snow day, guys. Snow day. My hatchback make it fine. Spin a little bit. That's okay. Woo. Now, so for the snow time. Okay, for hubcap, it all is installed, done installed, guys. Very nice, look very nice. Ooh, like factory, guys. Let's look underneath it, guys. Very clean, just exhaust rusted, but everything down here is clean, guys. It's not that bad. Woo. Okay, good Pham Motorsport. Just put it here, guys, like that. Hopefully I got straight this time. Too cold. Yeah. Yep. Pham Motorsport, guys. Well, look straight. Yeah. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And see you in the next video. Peace. Thank you.